it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a collective haul. Some of these things I purchased from the thrift store, Forever 21, random places, and also I have a few things that were sent to me that I wanted to show you guys because they're great things. I've been wearing them non-stop on my Instagram. If you haven't checked out my Instagram, you should. Surprisingly, Forever 21 had some really cute stuff for a really affordable price. So the first thing I got was this little crop top. This is in a size small. It just has this like ruffly detailing on the top and the bottom. I believe it's called lettuce. And then another one that we both got actually is this little ruffly one from Forever 21. Like, how pretty. And this really looks like something that is way more expensive than just like $11, $12. So I'm going to link these in the description box below because I think they make really good basics for summer. And then the next thing that I have here is my Daniel Caesar hoodie. I actually purchased this from Will Studios. Will Studios is an independent Toronto label. They create really cool stuff. And sorry, long-winded story, but they created some merch for Daniel Caesar, who is one of the biggest artists right now, and I'm such a fan, and I definitely needed to get this because it was limited edition. So this is just this lilac color, the Daniel Caesar sweater. This is I'll Be Here All Week, Freudian Tour Toronto. I just think it's really cool with the little yellow detailing, and yeah. Absolutely love this one. I think it's so sick. The next group of things that I have is from Shop Redone. If you guys are familiar with Shop Redone, they create really cool pieces, some from vintage Levi's, vintage clothing. Also, they just create their own label, but they sent me a few pieces and I'm so excited about these. So the first thing I have here is this cropped hoodie. This is the perfect fit. It feels so slouchy and like a lot of my vintage sweaters. I love the little like design on it and I just think it's really cool. I feel very Lauren Elizabeth in this. But the next thing I have here is a little Shop Redone t-shirt. I feel like I'm part of their squad now or something. I'm really into this. It's really pretty. I love this. I feel like it's a very 70s vibe, which is very trendy right now. And then I got two pairs of denim from Shop Redone. I really want to try out their jeans because that's kind of what they're known for. So the first pair I have is just this regular pair from their Originals line. And I believe that these are just cropped, high-waisted. I think they are in like a 70s wash, and I really like these. I've been wearing these nonstop. This pair I got in a size 25, and they are my Redone Levi's. I wear these like, seriously, they're probably my most worn jeans all season. They just have the original Levi's bum, and then they also are kind of distressed and just really cool. I really like these. I love the fit of these. So Toronto people, before I show this thrifted stuff, I want to let you guys know I'm actually part of a pop-up shop that is happening this week on June 8th, and it's called Thrifted This Market. I'm teaming up with my good friend Sarah Dunk, as well as Annie from Simply Suzette. She has an ethical, sustainable denim boutique online, as well as Anna from There She Goes, and Ruby. So Ruby Lynn, I did the thrifted swap with her. Besides my friend Annie, who's going to be selling denim, the rest of us are going to be selling a curated selection of our best thrifted finds, and a percent of the proceeds are actually going to be going to jack.org, which is a mental health charity that I've worked with in the past. So I am super passionate about that and so excited. So some of this stuff I am keeping, and then I have two previews of some stuff that I'm going to be selling. So I hope to see some of you come hang out, shop. I just think it's going to be a really fun time. So anyway, let's just get to the two things that will be at the Thrifted This Market. Okay, so the first two things I have, these are going to be things I'm selling at Thrifted This. The first is this pair of velour Tommy jeans, like stretchy pants. I'm just so obsessed with these. The next thing that I have here is a NASCAR top that I cropped. Love this. This is actually NASCAR official licensed merchandise. This was originally an extra large, but I cropped it, so I feel like it could fit a number of different people. Has the little NASCAR detailing on the top. I think those are really cool pieces that you can find at Thrifted This Market, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. June 8th at Exam Study Lounge. So I'm going to have all the information as well as the Facebook event in the description box below. And then I'm going to show you guys a few things that I picked up for myself at the thrift store. The first is this pair of boyfriend denim, and this is by a label called As No As, and I don't know what that is, but I think they're a Japanese label from what I looked up online, and they are just a really good pair of boyfriend denim. I think they fit really well. Delawana is a place in Honey Harbor. I just think this is a really cool sweater. It looks a lot like the Harvard one that I wear nonstop, so that's why I got it. This is a half zip. Been wearing it nonstop since I washed it. Obsessed with it. The last thing I have from the thrift store is Dylan's find, but I'm totally gonna steal this from him. It is a Ferrari racing jacket. This was $25 at the thrift store, which is such, like, honestly, it sounds expensive, but compared to what Value Village has been doing, it's not that expensive, but I'm gonna be wearing it and I just love it anyway. I told Dylan we have to get this. So at the front, it just has the Ferrari kind of little patches and stuff, and then the back, it just says Ferrari. And that is everything I picked up at the thrift store. Next thing I want to show you guys is kind of random. It is what I've been curling my hair with recently, and T3 sent this to me, and I just want to show it to you guys because you guys have been curious about my hair. I don't know. So this is just the T3 curling iron. It has a clamp, but sometimes I use it as a wand. I have another T3 curling iron as well as a hair dryer, and I love them. They make really beautiful products. So I'm going to link this in the description box. Below. It's a really great product, and yeah, it's how I've been curling my hair recently. Last thing I have here is kind of an unboxing. I showed this on my Instagram already, but I figured that a lot of you on YouTube who aren't following me would want to see this, so I'm really excited about it. It is, yes, a pair of Converse, and I just want to first say that I was not expecting these. I had no idea what I was getting from Converse when they asked me to send my address, and I just wanted to just extend a huge thank you to them because I absolutely love these. I love Converse, if you guys know and have been watching me for a while. Converse show up in pretty much like all of my how I style videos. I love, love, love my Converse shoes. I love my Converse sneakers. So I'm very excited to get probably my millionth pair, to be honest, but this is also my first Off-White item. So for those of you who aren't familiar with Off-White, they are a label created by Virgil Abloh, who is an absolute creative genius and now the head designer of Louis Vuitton, and he collaborated with Nike as well as Converse to create some really, really dope shoes with his brand Off-White. So this is the box, so you guys can see. It says Off-White on it and everything, and then Converse in quotations, which is very classic Off-White. You open it, this is the tissue paper, and these are the Off-White sneakers. They are so cool. I'm absolutely obsessed with these, and I'm definitely going to have to get some matching socks to go with them because they're see-through, so I really want to make sure that they can shine in all their glory, but they're so cool. I am a size 6.5 for those of you who are wondering, and they are very, very limited edition, but I am going to link Converse in general because they make great shoes. I wear them all the time, and I think they're sick no matter what pair you're wearing, but this is a really, really beautiful piece to add to my collection, so I'm just so thankful. And then it came with a bunch of cool laces, so I'm not sure if I should do one black, one white, both white, etc., etc., so let me know what you would do. But yeah, they're so, so beautiful with the classic Off-White zip tie. Honestly, I really, really am in love with these, and I'm so excited to have them. So thank you so much for sending these over. This was really, really generous as well. And then the last thing I want to show you guys have seen probably all over my YouTube already, but they are my Doc Marten platform shoes. These are the Jaden. In the black, they have zippers on the sides. They are so, so comfy and cool, and I just love them. So anyways, I got them from Dolls Kill. Really easy shipping experience. My customs weren't awful. I think I paid $20 in duties and taxes, which actually would have been less than what I would have paid for taxes in the store. But I'm going to link them in the description box below. They're a little bit hard to find right now, but honestly, all Doc Martens are just very, very cool and just sassy, and I've been really, really liking them, and they are just the perfect essential for music festivals if you're going this summer because they look so cute with dresses, shorts, whatnot, and I like the platform because they give me a little bit of extra height. But yeah, I'm going to link these in the description box below for you guys. Anyway, guys, that is the end of my collective haul slash PR unboxing slash thrift haul sort of thing. If you guys like these collective hauls, let me know by leaving a comment in the description box below or thumbsing up this video. If you guys want to see any of this style, like I've been saying, my Instagram is always there for y'all. So yeah, without further ado, guys, I am going to go, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.